What's going on, Rankin family? Welcome back to another fantastic property tour. Today, we have the good fortune of looking at a beautiful Toll Brothers. Now, this one is currently for sale. They just put this model home on the market, and I think you're going to find this one absolutely exceptional. Now, don't worry, the garage will be converted. It's a sales office at the present, but it will be converted once it is for sale. Now, this one is absolutely stunning. Toll Brothers is one of those builders that you find really exceptional just from the simplicity of the materials that they utilize, as well as some of the features that they add inside of their home, and that was intentional. Now, as soon as you walk in to the foyer, this is exactly what you are greeted with. You have the two beautiful chandeliers as well as the beautiful curved staircase as well. Now, really, the neutral colors in here is absolutely exceptional. And the good thing about this one is what you see is what you get. Love that. Now, going into your study, you are going to have the double sliding doors that a lot of folks love. Now, also, you have the accent wall on all four sides. Even looking at your window, you have the window grids with the tall windows itself. And the one thing is the furniture, it possibly can be negotiated. I know that's the number one question you get is that or is the furniture included in the price? And everything's negotiable. That's the beauty of real estate itself. But you know, of course, you can see if that makes sense for you. Now, immediately when you walk into your first bedroom, this is exactly what you see. You see the tall ceilings, the oversized window with the window grids inside. Now, this is a queen size bed, one nightstand, but I could see if you were to add that second nightstand, you have no challenges whatsoever. Carpet inside of the bedrooms, tall door as well, and this one has its own bathroom. So beauty of that is the guest suite. Now, the closet is inside of the bathroom. I know I get mixed comments and mixed reviews as far as does that seem practical for you? But the good thing is the tall ceilings extends inside of the bathroom as well. Shower tub combo, beautiful quartz countertops as well as your wood cabinetry. And just look at this. Beautiful brass shower head as well and the faucet. And if you know anything about Toll Brothers, so I did a video not too long ago. It was the top five best Toll Brothers that we've seen in every single home that we looked at. Absolutely exceptional. Powder room, of course, beautiful ceramic tile that you have, the wood-like tile that a lot of folks love, tall baseboards with our crown molding. So features in here are certainly unmatched. That's what I love. You got a coat closet, of course, walking in, but just look at your two-story foyer. Love that. Even just the accent going up your curved staircase. Beautiful area right here for some nice decor. And then look at our great room. Exceptional. Beautiful accent ceiling. Obviously, these oversized blowout chandeliers coming down. Look at our fireplace with our mantle. You have your built-ins on the left side with your nice shelving. Perfect for decor. And just look at the amount of natural light that enters inside of this home. Wow, nothing but great things to say about Toll Brothers. Now going into our kitchen, we have the great room kitchen combo, which I love. And I love the fact that we have an informal dining room, breakfast nook, what you want to call it over there with our beautiful chandelier. I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's go take a look in here. Beautiful quartz countertops, stack cabinets on top with our glass panes. Really adds a nice touch. And of course, our Whirlpool stainless steel stovetop with 5 burners. And just look at how exceptional this is. Wow, love it. So of course we have a farmhouse sink. We have our lighting fixtures right above our island with our brass fixtures, glass blowout again. And let me open up some of these drawer spaces. Look at this. All the goldfish that you could want inside of here. Both of them. Look at that. How funny is that? Perfect. Perfect spot for the Keurig. Even just look inside of here. Plenty of storage space that you can take advantage of. Now, the good thing is this one, like I said, just hit the market. So it's one of those things where first come, first serve, right? Very rarely do, you know, it's not often when the model home becomes for sale. Of course, they do become for sale, but most of the time we showcase those. They're not for sale at the present. So when they do, of course, all the people that have ever stepped in here, they want to put their bids in. But look at this. Wow, just look at the accents on the ceiling, our beautiful beaded chandelier as well. Can you really get enough of this? Now, I love our hardwood flooring that comes or continues throughout the main areas of the home itself. And then even just going into our nice little media room slash game room area that you can take advantage of. Tray ceilings, recessed lighting, accent wall. Wow. Now, you know that, of course, every time we see the model homes and then, versus an inventory home, right? You see the differences. They go all out. They really want, I always say they like to show off a little bit, right? But we have our built-in window nook over here. Now in here, I love this, our oversized picture windows, and you don't have to worry, you don't have those window grids in here. So, of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts if you like the window grids, or if not, I know we get some folks that, some new folks and stuff. So I always like to ask that every now and then. But of course, our stainless steel appliances again, and just look at this. Now this is unique. You have your built-in desk area, its own section. If you wanted to add possibly the pocket doors or a door itself to kind of seclude yourself, you certainly can. And then of course, our utility room. Look at these oversized Whirlpool washer and dryers. Counter space right above it. Now, I'm almost 6 foot. I'm 5'11" on a good day, right? 5'11" and a half. So it might be a little challenging. So you might want to get your little step stool or something of that nature. But beautiful quartz countertops. Of course, our backsplash as well. Tile flooring inside. And then our hardwood flooring continues straight over there where our garage would be. Now, Toll Brothers, they like to add that nice glass pane inside the pantry. Show off a little bit. I see you, Toll Brothers. Nothing wrong with that. But look at this. Let me do one more pan before we continue throughout the home. Love it. So exceptional. And then the good thing is you do have your primary on the first floor. So I love that as well. Now going in here, look at this. High ceilings, exposed beams as well. Beautiful recessed lighting with our brass chandelier as well. And just look at the room that you have. This is a king bed, 2 nightstands, oversized windows on all ends, tall draperies, carpet inside of here. Now I could see some folks possibly just adding maybe the hardwood flooring that continues inside of here, but really depends on your personal preference. I mean, the carpet, I have no shoes on right now, took them off out of respect, but it seems extremely cozy and I love that. Okay, so going into our ensuite, we have the double doors, of course, and then look at this, herringbone style wood flooring. Now this is ceramic wood-like tile, but I love it. Quartz countertops, oversized soaking tub, and look at the depth in here. And then of course, it wouldn't be complete without the tray ceilings going into our ensuite. Now, if you notice, even the herringbone style flooring continues inside of the shower. You have dual shower heads, a shower bench as well. Little niche area as well to put your shampoo bottles. But just even looking at the presentation of this home, exceptional. Now, of course, you got your nice toilet over there. And then going straight in here, walk-in closet. Look at this. So built-in storage shelving as well. Carpet inside, tall baseboards with the molding again. And just look at this. So a decent amount of space, obviously not the biggest primary closet, but it's okay. It certainly gets the job done in my opinion. And if you notice, even going to the washroom, or what you want to call it, toilet room. I call it toilet room. I got somebody that said it's not a toilet room, it's something else, but you get what I'm saying. That herringbone style continues again in there. But love our exposed beams as well. Really has that natural like look that a lot of folks are looking for, especially in a home of this magnitude. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head upstairs, but if you notice, even the tall ceilings going into our foyer, this is the front door. Love your section up there. You can add the decor that a lot of folks love. And then up here, what you're gonna have is the stained wood that a lot of folks love. They love that stained wood look. Now, this is called a catwalk right here, where you can oversee the great room as well as the foyer. And then I'll make sure to pan so you can see right here. Love it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll continue to the next bedroom. You go down this little hallway area and just look at this. So a decent amount of room. This is gonna be almost 4,000 square feet. So just to kind of give you a gist, anything over 4,000 square feet, sometimes even 3,500 square feet, you really can see the room that they have inside of the home itself. But the molding continues. It's not tall baseboards up here, but the molding does continue. And this looks like it's probably going to be a Jack and Jill bath. Let me just verify for you. Yes, it'll be a Jack and Jill bath. So let me make sure I open every door, show you every inch. Real quick, folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always appreciate your continued support. This is your first time to the channel. My name is Marcus Rankin. I am a local realtor. We get calls, texts, and emails for folks looking to make a move to Texas. And now we're actually going to be expanding outside of the state. So really any location that we showcase on the channel, you can bet we have somebody that can get you covered. So reach out so we can get you taken care of, and consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family, and also so you don't miss a video every single week. Okay, look at this. Now I'll make sure to do a quick pan. Sometimes I make some of my viewers dizzy, so I apologize in advance if that's the case. Beautiful shiplap on the ceiling. Recessed lighting continues in here. If you want to add that ceiling fan down the road, you can certainly do so. And look at that. That's your full walk-in closet. Now, most of the time, this is going to be locked, so I would open that for you. But of course, you could utilize that as storage, just like a little access for maybe an attic or something of that nature. Now, you do have a little wet bar area right here going, or instead of going into your media room. Some folks might want to possibly add that, inside of the media room, but it's still within a nice distance to go ahead and take advantage of that. I don't know what movie this is, but we got a movie planned. Look at this. Got that ambiance, The Secret Life of a Pet. It might be that one. Yeah, I think it is. The Secret Life of Pets 2. Look at that. So plenty of space in here. This is an L-shaped couch, of course. You got a nightstand, a little awning as well, dresser. So plenty of room for you to take advantage. And not to mention, you do have that carpet in here. It gives it that cozy-like feel that a lot of folks are looking for, especially these days. But like I said, what you see is what you get at the current price point, excluding the furniture. And of course, everything is negotiable depending on what they plan to do with it. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't reject an offer that was relatively decent, that included the furniture in there. And then the last thing is, what we'll make sure to do is show you the backyard. So the good thing is, lot size is relatively huge, because you're in a cul-de-sac on this particular home in itself. But this is an LED industrial like ceiling fan. The recessed lighting continues out here. They'll of course clean it up a little bit more for you before you end up moving in. But look at the room that you have in here, folks. Plenty of space. And look at this section. You have a built-in pergola over here, built-in seating area, nice little bonfire. I love the room that you have in here. Plenty of entertaining space for you and the family, and especially for a home like this, you certainly are probably going to have some guests over. But look at that. The best thing is you have no rear neighbors. Look at that. You can imagine, and then you have the nice little view over there, and the privacy fence. I love that. The good thing is you don't have to worry about replacing that fence anytime soon. And also, I know I get some comments, especially in Texas. We have a bad rap lately with the hurricanes and just the weather in general. But this is an all brick house, so no one's huffing and puffing and blowing this house down. You don't have to worry about that. But other than that, family, that was the beautiful Toll Brothers here near Houston. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely love this Toll Brothers right here in Pomona. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you want more information about this plan or any plan we showcase, reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.